This is an old railroad station in the capital of Chile, Santiago. The design and construction of the station commenced in 1905 under the guidance of Emilio Jecquier, a Chilean architect based in France. The structure, spanning 280 metres in length and standing at 17 metres in height, featured a foundation of masonry and a steel vault covered in glass, which has since been replaced with copper. The steel structure was fabricated by the Belgian company Haine Saint Pierre. The official inauguration of the station took place on May 12, 1912, and it opened to the public in 1913. For many years, Estación Mapocho served as Santiago's primary rail hub, connecting destinations such as Valparaíso in Argentina and northern Chile. In 1986, the station temporarily closed for remodelling. In 1987, the Chilean State Railroad Company halted the renovation works and the station was decommissioned. Since 1994, it has been transformed into a cultural centre that hosts a wide range of events up to the present day.